So you are actually paying only this $6.37. My friends, in today's video, I'll show you how to open sole proprietorship in Ontario. And to do this, just below this video in the description, here is the link which you see here. Once you go down and click on this link, you will come to this page. And you see here, by clicking, you get a 15% discount at the time of checkout. So make sure to use the link to get this discount. And once you come here, click on Get Started. And here, tell us about your business, select New, and my company is located in Ontario. Once you click Next, you come to this Compare Your option. Here, if you don't know what the difference between incorporation or sole proprietorship is, here is the summary. So for today's video, I'm showing you sole proprietorship. Select, and then here my company will be called. Here the requirement is that it must be unique and must contain a distinctive element and descriptive element. For example, they have given here Rhino Sandwiches Inc. So since it is going to be sole proprietorship, I'll show you how this will come. So I'm just writing Nova Cyber Consulting. Okay, so this meets being unique and distinctive. And once I confirm and click next, which will get me to the sign up page. Okay, so here first name, last name, email, and password. You enter that. I click sign up. We come to this page where the name what is chosen is shown, and then you'll be filling in these information, which is account information, business information, and then payment and final review. Okay, so we'll go one by one over each one. So in the account information, you fill in your phone number and then address. So whenever you fill, check, recheck, cross check, don't make any mistake. And once this is done, you see this is by default checked in. So I am a Canadian resident. A Canadian resident includes citizens and permanent resident who ordinarily reside in Canada. So you must be residing in Canada. You can go and read more, but ordinarily reside in Canada. This is one criteria which has to be met. So once that is done, you click next. Now we are on the business information page. My company will be sole proprietorship based in Ontario. So there are three options given here. I'm showing sole proprietorship. If you want to see how a provincial Canadian business gets registered, I've made a separate video, and for federal Canadian, again, there is a separate video. So sole proprietorship based in Ontario. And then the address what is entered that gets shown. And here my company will operate in. So once you come and click here, this is the entire drop down list. And from here, choose which is the closest and best related to your industry. Okay. So in my case, it comes into technology, internet software, and also option is consulting and business service. So I'm choosing consulting and business service. So once that is done, click next. And here again, name confirmation is getting shown what was entered before. I click next. And now we come to the payment part. So you can see here for the sole proprietorship, the fee is shown here. And what all you get in this? Unlimited business name searches, business registration number, business registration document, business document storage, and some of the owner's perk and chat support. And also once you come down here, If you open a bank account with RBC, as it is shown here, you save $49. Okay, so go through this, and once you click next, this is the payment summary page. You have this billing information, government registration, it says free, owner registration fee is $49, and with RBC bank account opening, you get a discount of 49. So you are actually paying only this $6.37. Okay. So once you go through this, you can click next. If you don't select RBC bank, the total comes to $55.37. So I'll go and check again. And by clicking next, you agree to open an RBC bank account within 60 days of payment. If you do not open the account, this discount will not apply and your credit card will be charged for remaining $49. Okay, so you can go and read the term. Once you click next, you have to enter your credit card information, and once that is done and you click pay now, you will be taken to the final review section where you check, recheck, cross check all the details what is entered, and once you confirm, sit back and relax. Owner will get rest of the things done for you, and they will intimate to you via mail that your sole proprietorship is now done and you can start with your business. You have to remember that you may require additional permit and licensing based on the business what you're doing. So if you want to know what kind of permit and licensing your business will require, you can check out my video on business and permit requirement. So that's it, guys. I hope you found today's video useful. Do let me know in your comment, and thanks for watching.